In this session, you will learn about the introduction to VS Code. What is mean by VS Code? VS Code in the sense Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code. This is one of the code editor to edit and to create any kind of web application. Either it may be HTML, CSS, or it may be JavaScript, frameworks, or whatever it may be. It is. We can easily integrate any kind of coding with the help of Visual Studio Code because it had a lot of functionality. We will discuss about that. So first, we can there is in this VS Studio Code there is some extensions are there. With the help of that extensions, we can install any kind of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, any live server, any other React.js extensions. With the help of the extensions, we can create a simple code, a simple structure of code to make our website. As well as there is another benefit extension is there known as a live server. This is also one of the extension to execute. We can preview the website, whatever we are coding in this VS Code, without hitting refresh. We can see output for every second. And there is another extension is there known as there is another thing is there. That one is nothing but GitHub. So GitHub is one of the famous online platform can share source code. So you are seeing source code as well as we can host that source code, okay, in Git hosting for free of cost. As usual, there we can see there is another extension is there, nothing but terminal. This terminal is used to execute a command line interface for npm node package manager and for some other packages to execute a psc ckags to execute our output. As usual, there is another thing is there, nothing but here I will show you those things. This is the root folder extension. We can create one root folder with the help of this explorer, and after that here you can see there is source controller is there. We can initialize our Git repositories with the help of this source controller. So this is source controller is one of the inbuilt tool having in this VS Code. With the help of this VS Code, we can easily integrate this GitHub account and we can put all those files whatever did here in this React.js or else PHP or HTML, CSS, whatever application we did here in the source code. So this is one of the best tool here in this VS Code. After that, here you can see there is a lot of extensions are there. In next session, I will share you these extensions so that you can install those extensions in your VS Code. Then you can easily code any kind of lengthy code. You can easily code in simple steps with the help of some triggers and extensions. In next session, you will learn about the topic. So mainly, if you want to download this VS Code, you can download that VS Code from here in this link. I will provide this link also. So it will available for Macintosh, Windows 64, Linux 64-bit also, and you can easily download it once and you can easily install into your system. This is one of the free version. You can update and you can download and you can update and you can use all these features whatever VS Code is providing, some extensions, whatever tools it had. So try to download this application into your system. So to install this VS Code, it doesn't require any source, it doesn't require any serial number, it doesn't require any crack files to run this application in your system. This is a very excellent tool to develop your web applications with the help of Visual Studio Code. Thank you.